The pressure differential here is higher than expected.
Yes, the CFD simulation confirms the turbulence near the wingtip. We need to adjust the profile.
The stowage capacity on these new bins is significantly improved.
It is, but we need to verify the reach ergonomics.
We hit the fuselage milestone 2 weeks ahead of schedule, but the wing assembly is showing a slight delay here in Q3.
We're seeing a slight slowdown in the Southeast Asia sector.
If we divert the next 3 shipments through the Manila hub, we should stabilize the flow by Tuesday.
Make sure that alignment is precise before the next rotation.
Copy that. We are good to go on this section. Torque is good on the forward stringer.
Copy that. Moving to the next sequence.
Push it further into the spar.
All right, it's snuck against the rib. Bring it down 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters, Roger. Looks like we have contact.
Torque is set on the upper bolts.
Verified. Initiating movement cycle now.
Full travel, no binding. Torque set on coupling.
Reading steady on sensor 5. All parameters nominal.
The riveting on this section is complete. Okay, let's look at the schematics for the next stage. We need to attach the stiffeners here.
See how the elevator attachment area aligns perfectly with the pitch control requirements.
The symmetry on this stability surface is critical for the assembly phase.
Final torque applied. Check the range of motion. System checks out. Confirmed green.
Installation confirmed. Checks are good.
Noted.
Final sign-off complete.
These static discharge wicks are crucial for lightning protection. They safely dissipate the electrical charge buildup.
Hold position on the main spar. We have a slight deviation on the port side.
Adjusting alignment by 2 millimeters. Clearance is green.
Confirmed. Proceed with the final descent.
Millimeters to contact. Keep it slow.
Roger that. Holding steady.
All right, team, slow and steady. Watch the alignment.
Copy that. Bringing it down 5 centimeters.
We are clear on the port side. Keep it coming. Hold it right there, zoom in on that rivet, see the microfracturing?
Yes, logging the coordinates now. It appears structurally sound, but we should verify the torque.
Check alignment on connector 4.
Aligned and secure.
Confirm alignment sequence is stable.
Sequence is stable. Proceeding with the securing clamps.
Major milestone achieved, everyone. Great work.
Great work. Absolutely flawless integration. Well done, team.
Alignment is spot on. Ready for the sequence.
Engaging fasteners. The fit is perfect.
Keep it steady on the left side. We are approaching the bay marker now. Slow it down slightly.
The validation scan shows green across the board.
Confirmed on the tablet. The pre-installation checks are complete.
Initiating the swivel test sequence.
Clear movement on the port side.
Starboard looks good, fully functional.
All systems check complete. Weight on wheels confirmed.
Roger that.
Structural milestone achieved.
Are these tracks aligned with the schematic?
Almost, just a few more millimeters to the left.
The hydraulic pressure on the left manifold is fluctuating.
Rerunning the cycle now. Check the power input.